Hi there. Taking care of ourselves has always been important, but never so much as right now with everything that the world has been going through. So if you can't take care of yourself, it's hard to take care of the people around you that you want to take care of. You need to take care of yourself. So I am putting together a few little, stress relief kits. And I'm not going to go through everything because they're simple and the instructions will be there. But the three things that you'll be making for yourself are jelly soaps and a heating pad and some bath salts. All right, and these will be all DIY projects for you. But I will show you a little trick with the heating pad. So you will be getting one thinner long sock like this, and then a set of really nice fuzzy warm socks. All right, that'll be the outer part. So the trick to this, everything will be pre-measured for you, and the trick to get the rice into the sock, I found out, because funnels just don't seem to work. I don't have a big enough funnel, but this is how you do it. Okay, so the rice will go in this big cup. Put your sock over top like so, and then very carefully dump it in, just like so. Then you can either tie it in a knot like so on the end of your sock, or you can tie it up with a piece of yarn nice and tight. So you're going to do that. I'll do mine like this, just faster. There you go. We're going to spread it all out. You don't want it to be too big and fat because then it takes forever to heat up in the microwave. All right, take this down just a little bit more. Then you're going to take one of your fuzzy socks and you're going to put it on the end here like so. The reason we're using two different socks is because then you can take the outer layer off to wash it, because after a while of it being on your body, you might want to wash the fuzzy socks. So you're going to get them on there like that. You can line up your heels so that they kind of match if you want to. Get it all squished out. And then what I would suggest is, just with a needle and thread, just do a stitch these two socks together wherever you want them stitched, but don't do it really tight, because then if you want to take this off to wash it, you want to be able to snip those threads and then redo it. And there you have it, and it's nice, it's flexible, and it fits great around your neck like so. All right, so the instructions for the three DIY projects will be in the basket, and I will have a limited supply of these. So first come, first serve. Come and get your stress relievers. See you. Bye.